Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures, remove items using a splice. Okay, so we have learned how to remove elements from beginning and end of arrays using shift and pop. But what if we want to remove an element from somewhere in the middle or remove more than one element at once? Well, that's where a splice comes in. A splice allows us to do just that. Remove any number of consecutive elements from anywhere in an array. A splice can take up to 3 parameters, but for now we will focus on just the first two. The first two parameters of a splice are integers, which represents indexes or positions of the array that a splice is being called upon. And remember, arrays are zero indexed. So to indicate the first element of an array, we would use 0. A splice first parameter represents the index on array from which to begin removing elements. Will the second parameter indicates the number of elements to delete. For example, here we have an array. Today was not so great, which contain these strings. So when we use a splice function or method on this, then and pass the values for from where to start means in this case second 2 means not, and how much to remove, that is 2 elements. So this means remove 2 elements beginning with the third element. So from here it will start removing, and it will remove this and this 2 elements. So array now equals today was great, not so are removed here using the splice method and passing 2 as the starting index and 2 number of element that needs to be removed. A splice not only modifies the array it's being called on, but it also returns a new array containing the value of the removed elements. In this case, so we have a array. I am feeling really happy. When we use array.splice and pass in 3 2, so 3 index, yeah, that is fourth element, and for 2 elements it means this whole portion will be removed, and this is now a completely different array that is saved in the new array variable. So new array equals a array containing really happy as their elements. Task for this challenge, we have initialized an array ARR. Use a splice to remove elements from ARR to so that it only contains elements that sum to value of 10. We have initialized an ARR. Use a splice to remove elements from ARR so that it only contains element that sum to the value of 10. So in this case, values to elements from ARR so that it only contains element that sums to value of 10. So 2 4 6, or we can 6 plus 5 6, or we can do it like that 5 2 7 1 8 and we have 2 from here. So we can remove all the in between to get the desired value. So arr dot splice, we will start from the first index to, we removed here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we remove 4 elements. Rest 2 to 5 2 5 2 1. So let's run the tests, download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.